guys, I'm so excited for you to be here today because I have some new products, and so I'm going to open them up for you. I'll show you what's inside. I'll talk a little bit about them and also teach you how to use it too, so that you can enjoy this at home for yourself. And if you have any questions after watching this video, just let me know down below. I will respond to you. Okay? Anyways, this here is the Atomy EP Skin Booster. So this one actually has a device inside, of course, but it's actually a patented device that uses electroporation. So what does that mean? This device will actually help you maximize the absorption of your skincare products. And this here is the Ampoule Synergy Program. It goes really nicely with the device. This is a month-long program. It is recommended for you to use it up in a month, but people have been able to stretch it out to 2 months. But I don't see why you need to do that, because it'll be better if you actually use it up in a month. And we'll talk a little bit about that in a second. So let's open this up first so that we can see what's inside. When I first received this box, I actually thought it was like an Apple device. It comes in a very pretty white box. It's very similar to Apple actually. Opens up like that. Comes with a manual here. You just pull it out like this, and there's a little booklet inside. It's very simple. It's actually very simple in how you can use this device. So there's the device. It comes with a power cord and also a cleaning cloth. I'm just going to pull up the device like this. Put that there. So the device is very nice. It fits very nicely in the hand, and oh, I love it so much. Has a very nice design, and there's the power button and also the button for you to change to different modes. And in order to use this the first time, you'll need to charge it. I think it takes about 2 hours to charge the first time. And you just pull out the cord like this, and you plug it in at the back of the device, and it's actually a USB-C like that. And then you'll have to find your own adapter, and I have one here, just something like this I bought on Amazon, and you just plug it in wherever, and yeah, leave it for about 2 hours or so. It's actually going to turn on and be a red color. That means that it's still charging. Okay, and then this here, so as I mentioned, this is a 1 month program, but you can stretch it out to 2 months if you like, but I would totally recommend you use this up in 1 month. And it comes with 4 bottles. I don't know if you can read it because the lettering is actually a bit reflective, but it, like, you can't really tell, but it's actually a very pretty rose gold color everywhere they've used. And I'm just going to open it first to show you the inside. So, ooh, so pretty, so luxury. And it comes with a pamphlet. Okay, I'll show you that in a second. And you just open this up here like that. Oh. Okay, and there's 4 bottles. So 1 bottle per week, just like I mentioned earlier. So that's why it is a 1 month program. And as you can see here, it's got 4 colors, but these bottles don't look like the same colors. And that is because each bottle actually comes in 2 parts. So the first part is in the lid, and then the second is the base in the bottle, the liquid that you see there. So each one's the same thing. There's something in the cap, and then there's the liquid. There's something in the cap, and then liquid, same thing. And so what you would do is you would actually mix the ingredients in the cap with the base just before you're using it. Okay? And when you do mix it, you will actually change the cap afterwards. So what you would do, because I'm not using this just yet, I'm just gonna kind of show you what to do, but all you do is you take it out and you peel off the plastic that comes wrapped on the bottle, and then you press down on this white cap, and it will actually shoot out an ingredient that you just shake and you mix up. And then what you do after that is you open this up like this, and you would take out the dropper that actually comes with each bottle like that. Make sure you take off this paper cover. It's just to protect the dropper. And then you would just switch out the cap, and then you would use this instead to take out the ampoule. And so that's that. So this bottle here is, I don't know if you see, it actually has 0 on it. So each bottle has a number. So it goes 0, 1, 2, 3. And the reason for that is because when you start on this system, your skin is at a negative number. So when you are starting it, you're actually rebalancing your skin and bringing it back to a healthier place with these products. And so when you're starting off on a negative number, you start to use this, it'll actually bring your skin back to a positive, hence the numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this first one is called the Advanced Hydration. It's actually really good to really just load up your skin with extra hydration and preparing your skin for all the next products, but it'll improve your elasticity, and it's okay to use morning and night. So you only mix it though when you're about to start on it. So you don't want to mix this and leave it for like a week or two, because the effectiveness will go down over time. That's why Atomy packaged this, this way, so that you get the full benefits when you're ready to use it. Because if they were to mix this prior to shipping, who knows how long these products might sit on the shelf for before it gets used. So that's why they can't guarantee the results for everyone that way. So that's why mixing it just before you're about to use it will guarantee the highest effectiveness, and you get the full benefits from the program that way. So yes, as I had mentioned, so this one is 0, so that's the first step. So the second one is called Vita Luminous. So this one needs to actually be mixed about 2 hours prior to use, and that's because the capsule in here actually contains granules that are a little bit big, and you'll need to shake it up, but actually let it dissolve. And it takes about 2 hours for the product to fully dissolve into the base. So that's why you do need to plan ahead and mix this about 2 hours prior to use. And also, because this product is a brightening product, it also contains vitamin C and 13 multivitamins. They do say that this product is just recommended for use at nighttime, and it's probably because of the vitamin C. Because vitamin C could react with the sun and actually leave you with a lot of spots on your skin, so you don't want that. So just use number 1 only at nighttime. And then number 2 is actually called 24 karat gold infusion. Isn't that crazy? There's actually gold inside. And what this one does is it actually has a supercharged like lifting action, which will help you reduce all those wrinkles, things like that. So if you're enjoying the Absolute set already, imagine the Absolute set being in this, but on steroids, even crazier. And then this one here is the last one. It's called Miracle Rejuvenation. This one will actually help you enhance your skin regeneration and also slow down aging. So this step is actually an anti-aging set. So together that makes up a whole month of fun for you. But before you do use this, it is a good idea to prepare your skin so that you get the full benefits from this product. So what I would recommend you do is try the Evening 4 set. So it comes with 4 products, but in order to prepare yourself to use the Synergy Ampoule, what you should do is actually cleanse your skin first. So depending on you, I actually change it up a bit. So between the deep cleanser or the oil cleanser, it depends on how I feel, but I use either the deep cleanser or the deep pure cleansing oil first. And then after that step, I would use the foam cleanser, and then the peeling gel, because that removes a lot of the extra dead skin and whatever, and that'll help you, with the next products that you apply. So once you're done with the evening set, I'll just put this aside here. So once you're done with the evening set, prepare your skin with a little bit of skincare. So depending on the weather, because it is a bit dry right now in Vancouver, I have been using the 3-second water first after I do my evening care. And also I want to mention, even though this is called evening care, you can use it morning and nighttime, which is what I do too. But yeah, so after I use the evening care set, I would use the 3-second water to give it, a bit of like hydration. And then I apply the toner. And this one's from the Absolute set. It's a leave-on toner. And what it does is it actually helps open up your skin so that anything you put on after will absorb even easier. So I would, I love to do like 4 or 5 pumps of this at a time. And not only do I put on my face, I actually apply it on my neck too. And the reason for that is because, whatever you do to your face, you should actually, do a bit on your neck too, because your face, if you only focus on your face is going to look beautiful, but your neck is going to be aging. So that's why if you want it to match, you should focus on both areas. So that's why when I use the toner, I do at least 4 to 5 pumps. Some days I can get up to 7 or 8 pumps, depending on the weather. And then after the toner has absorbed enough, I will actually apply the Absolute Ampoule. I love this one. This is amazing. So after I apply this one and it's absorbed a bit, I'll actually start applying this. So how much of this do I use? I've been able to use about, I would say, like a dropper to a dropper and a half per session. And I get it everywhere on my face and on my neck. Yeah, and it's about a drop to a drop and a half. And so when you are using this device, you want to make sure that it glides nicely on your skin. You're not stretching it and pulling it. If that happens, it means you don't have enough product on your face, and so you just add a little bit more ampoule to ensure that it'll glide nicely. And when you are using it, make sure that you always go upwards. So here like this, on your forehead, you're going to go like that. And then on your neck, you go like that too. And I love the design on this because the top part actually makes it easy to reach places that are a bit smaller. So you can actually do really big areas and also reach smaller areas. And one of the areas I like to do is actually kind of behind my ear too. And that's because it'll help kind of, get that blood flow into your face and things like that if you massage that area a lot. So yeah, and that's just good for you. But yeah, that's it. Anyways, if you have any questions about anything, about how to use, or maybe something wasn't clear, or maybe you need more information about the products itself, just let me know and I'll get back to you. Hey guys, so I want to show you guys how this device works and how you can figure out which Synergy Ampoule bottle to use with what setting. And maybe you also want to experiment and try this device with other skincare products too. So anyways, the top button is for power and the second one is for you to switch through different modes. So in order to turn it on, you just hold the top button for a sec and it will go to the first one, which is blue. This one will be for code 0, which is the first bottle. And then if you press M again, it'll go to the white color, which is for the second bottle, which is code 1. Press it again, it'll go to purple, which is for code 2. And the last one, which is red, this one is for code 3, which is the fourth bottle in the Synergy Ampoule system. So if you press M again, it'll go back to the beginning and cycle through all the colors again. So each color actually has 3 levels of intensity, low, medium, high. So this one, the one that it lands on, is the lowest one. And if you want to change the intensity, you just press the power button by just pressing it once and not holding it, but just pressing it real quick like that, and it'll go up. And you see how the lighting actually gets bigger too as you press it again. So that's the highest intensity. So low, medium, high. If you want to go back to low, just press it again. Just like that. So when you are trying out this device for the first time, it is recommended for you to use it on the lowest setting first so that your skin can adjust to the device. You don't want to start on the third one at the very beginning. Also, to note, each color is good for different things. So this one, blue, is really good for absorption, and it'll run for 5 minutes. And if you switch to the second one, this one is good for brightening and whitening, and this one will run for 2 minutes. This one is purple, which is good for increasing elasticity. It'll run for 2 minutes too. And then this one is good for maximizing the absorption, but this one actually has heat and vibration, and this one will run for 5 minutes. And if you are wanting to use this product with other skincare products, just find the setting that best suits for that application. You can even target other areas in your body too, like your arms or stomach or legs, maybe areas with cellulite or stretch marks, or even like saggy skin. You can use this device on other areas of the body, which is really neat. Just make sure you apply some sort of cream or lotion or ampoule before using this device. I do recommend using the absolute ampoule on other parts of the body. I love to use on stretch marks. It actually helped remove some of my stretch marks already. So yeah, give it a try. One thing to note, this device does not mix well with any metal objects. So if you do have earrings or anything like that on your body and you're going to use this device, I highly recommend you to remove those first before using this device. And also anyone with pacemakers, do not use this machine. It's definitely not recommended for those with pacemakers. But anyone else, yeah, you're good to go to try this device. And yeah, please let me know down below what you think of this device and the Synergy program. I would love to hear from you guys. But anyways, thanks for dropping by, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!